The critical infrastructure that runs our world is under threat. From failing assets and cyber attacks to climate change, supply chain disruptions, and skills gaps, artificial intelligence holds the keys to solving these issues and many others. Using AI, we can build a smarter, safer, more sustainable future. But world-changing innovation requires the perfect environment to test it, push it to the limits, and deliver real-world impact. On 50 acres outside of Austin, Abathon's HyperWorks Lab is a first-of-its-kind proving ground for AI innovation, bringing together the physical and digital world, where Abathon innovators, partners, customers, and universities can experiment and showcase AI solutions, from drones to advanced manufacturing, theoretical to practical, small steps to moonshots, where every day we imagine, develop, and prove the next generation of AI technology under real-world conditions, solving big problems that have never been solved before. We're proving the future of AI in the real world at Abathon.